Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is bestseller on Amazon and it has all the hype on social media, so we're going to try it out. This is the wand and we're going to do the first coat of the mascara. As you can see, it really does separate my lashes and makes them look longer with the first coat. So yeah, we're going to see if it's worth the hype or not. So now this is the second coat. And I also really like about this mascara that it's like the blackness of the mascara is very strong, so your lashes look fuller and longer. And now we're gonna do the third coat, and as you can see, my lashes look super long, super thick. They also have volume, which we love. So now we're gonna do the second eye and we're gonna do the first coat, second and third coat, and so we can see the full effect of the mascara on both of my eyes. I really like that this mascara gives volume and length at the same time, and by applying on my lower lashes it gives a full doll like lash effect. So definitely give this mascara a try if you want length on your lashes. You won't regret it.